Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Happy New Year. I am so glad that you're here. I have missed all of you. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So I am just going to come on here really quick today for my Di's shorts, the first one of 2026. And it's going to be really quick because I will get back to my regular programming on Monday. And I have enjoyed my break. I didn't get as much done as I had planned, but I still enjoyed just taking some time off and enjoying the family and working behind the scenes and stuff like that. So we did go to there's an aquarium in Arizona, the Odyssey Aquarium in Phoenix, or I'm not even sure where it is. Maybe it's Scottsdale. I don't know. We were driving to Glendale when we passed it, and it was very cool. So I did post some pictures on my Facebook. But so if you are in Arizona, I highly recommend it. They have like so much stuff to do. If you want to do the penguin, I don't know, experience, I guess they call it, you want to book it ahead of time because we didn't know we were going to go. We were just like, oh, look, there it is. So we just did it on the way back home. So the penguin thing, they were already filled up. We did get to see them, but we didn't get to, do anything with them. But it was still fun. So, but there's lots of stuff to do there. So, so if you do, let me know what you do. All right, so I'm going to stop blabbing. So what I wanted to just show you really quick is, how I do the little mystery boxes. It's a little store that's by my hairdresser, and she's retiring. So I probably won't go there anymore because, it's quite a drive. But anyway, so I love doing those. So I actually got 2 little mystery boxes under the Christmas tree. And Jeff goes, it's a Christmas miracle. Because when you look on the back of the box, it'll say like what ones it could be and everything. I got my first choice in each box. So the first one I opened was this one. And it's Winnie the Pooh. And he's hugging Eeyore. Isn't that so cute? And look how big he is. Look how big he is. And he's flocked. So Winnie the Pooh is flocked like my Stitch and some of the other ones that I've got, my little panda bear. So I love that. His little coat isn't. It's kind of hard. And then little Eeyore is hard too. But look at how stinking cute. It wants to focus on my head instead of that. But anyways, it is so adorable. So let me see. Let's see if this will work. Yes, look how cute he is. Oh my gosh. He is just so cute. So I think that was called Snuggle or something like that. But I was just squealing like I was 5 years old. All right. And then one I did another earlier, and you did see me open this one. This is, what are these little guys? Zora. And they're very cute. They're like a little vampire. You know me, I love vampires. A little vampire girl. But I love that she had the little black kitty because we have the 3 cats now. They're the neighbor's cats, but I'm just calling them mine because they live here and we feed them. So I opened this one before you saw. So I got another one in that series. And again, I got the one I wanted. And it's this cute little girl. And I think she's just called Ducky. And look at her. She's on the little duck. The wheels even move. Like you can like wheel her along. And she has like a little mouse or something. Yeah, a little mouse. So they must all have a little friend with them, and it comes in a separate little bag inside the box, and then there's like a hole or something you stick it in, like the little cat stuck in her arm. And this one just has a little spot. But oh my gosh. And she's also a little vampire. But I wanted to share those with you. I might go like one more time. I really want to get a couple more of those Zora ones. But I would hate to get a repeat. I'm so bad. Because now I got 2 different ones. I'm like, oh, if I got another box, I might get a repeat. But anyways, because like I said, they are very cute. All right, so yeah, so I just wanted to pop in. I hope you had a very Merry Christmas. I hope you had some fun little surprises under the Christmas tree. I think I had told you that I did like an Advent stuff for the guys. So Jeff got a fishing one, and then Eric got this fake Lego one from Amazon. And oh my gosh, I think they got, like, Jeff helped them, and it said from 6 and up. And I'm really good about reading the what do you call it when people comment about it? I guess that's what I usually read, the comments and what people say, the rating. But I don't know, I must have missed it or something. Oh, I wish I'd read the comments, because they got into about the 8th day, and was supposed to build a tree, and it was going to crank. Oh my gosh. They both got frustrated. And it doesn't take long for Eric to get frustrated. If you are new to my channel, he's autistic. So he loves doing things, but he gets angry easy. He doesn't have much patience, kind of like me. And he was just like, I'm done with it. Even Jeff was like, I'm done with it. Because every time they put something together, something would fall off it. And they just said, nope. So our neighbors come over, and they have 10 kids. And they were looking at it, and I said, if you want it, take it home and you guys try. But I said, be careful about the frustration. So I'll have to holler at them and see if they did it. But so yeah, so if we do those things, definitely stick to the real Lego. Because we did get him 2 other Lego ones, and they're big too, and he's really enjoying them because they're going together like they should. So anyways, all right, so I'm going to stop blabbing. I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a Twist, and that will be at 3 o'clock, Arizona time, same channel. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you next week. All right, bye for now.